In today's video, let's talk about the way that you import music to Deezer. Whether you're trying to import the music from YouTube or Spotify, you can easily import your favorite songs onto the Deezer platform. To do that, head over to the profile section on the top left and then tap on the settings icon on the top right. Through this section, if you scroll down under content preferences, you'll see the option called transfer your favorites. Just tap on this option and it's going to open up a web page called Tune My Music, where you can see all of these platforms where you can import the songs into the Deezer platform. For this video, I'm just going to select YouTube, and then you'll need to log into your YouTube account. Similarly, if you choose Spotify, you'll need to log into your Spotify as well. Through this section, you'll need to select a particular playlist or songs that you want to upload or import to Deezer. Just select your option and then tap on transfer to Deezer. This way the songs inside a particular playlist will be copied from your YouTube or any platform that you selected into your Deezer account. Once this is complete, you can tap on go back to Deezer and you'll be able to find all of the songs that you imported into your Deezer platform. So that's how you do it. That's the way that you import music to Deezer. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.